How to use CreditAssociates properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. CreditAssociates is a tool that helps manage your credit and financial accounts, but many beginners make mistakes that can cost them time, money, or credit score health. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not linking all relevant accounts. Most people get this wrong by connecting only one or two credit cards or loans. To get a complete picture of your financial health, link every credit card, loan, and even utility accounts that report to credit bureaus. Second mistake, ignoring alerts and recommendations. You won't believe how many users skip these notifications. CreditAssociates sends reminders for due dates, unusual activity, and credit improvement suggestions. Ignoring them can result in late fees or missed opportunities. Third mistake, misunderstanding credit score factors. The surprising truth is that many users focus only on balances, ignoring utilization, payment history, and account age. CreditAssociates provides detailed insights. Use them to strategically manage your credit. Fourth mistake, neglecting dispute management. Beginners often fail to review errors on credit reports. Use CreditAssociates to check your reports and initiate disputes when you spot inaccuracies. This can significantly improve your score over time. Finally, not setting goals or tracking progress is common. Establish targets for credit score improvement, debt reduction, or responsible borrowing. Monitor progress through the platform dashboards to stay on track. Using CreditAssociates properly means linking all accounts, paying attention to alerts, understanding score factors, managing disputes, and tracking progress. Avoid these mistakes and you'll take control of your credit health efficiently and confidently.